Ghana, are we ready? I am Kuma 87.9 FM within the Adriana Kofi Asante and seated already. Pepe, Seraph, and of course, dear Hustler. Right, maybe I will call them.
Namiadum me we pa na nseri.
Namiadum, bro. With the less than 72 hours to Ghana, yes, starting the World Cup. The pundits in it, together with all your team in the house. You perceive your assessment. Ghana, are you ready for the World Cup? The women say I could do here, but are you ready there?
Well, Kofi, it looks like you need any other option than to be ready. And me sure your team are here and I think they are ready.
I see.
For the World Cup. Ghana, Yenya, a certain track record at the World Cup.
Okay.
The last four I have bought. The last four I have bought prior to this one, I come with three. You got 2006, you got 2010, you got 2014. You may say out 2018. And the year could be. You ever say, so we come on as a 5, even 4, and the could be, which is good for Ghana. Especially sending them to see out for a long time. But this is a team I don't want any GD and there's just the Asla. Any people know me, Ralph never catch up. I'm going to do team remove. Ghana, how much would you do to me if I put you from the account? In Tia and somebody like me, you want GD Gakai said, the whole Ghana your teams and the World Cup. Now who your teams? I mean, we had a 2016, which is the best team at the World Cup. In our 2010 team, that wasn't a strong team, but we performed very well at the World Cup. And Nunti, who can Ghana some in respect to the World Cup? Not the Yamas that yeah, careful Kaka because also you learn lessons from Kaka. Now, share your team, you know, any the 26-man squad. I mean, they're Ghana for the donor. Any too happy with you say playing so exclusive. If you're happy with Flop, if you're happy with Majida Smith, but out of the 3 players, there are 26 players in town. Omo the very representative. And now you have a chance to play against Switzerland. A team, you didn't almost be one of the powerhouses in Europe. In Switzerland, almost every almost major trophies, but they're always competing with all of the best because they're very good players. Switzerland team, their last 3 games, their last 3 games, they beat Portugal 1-0, they beat Spain 2-1, and almost Czech Republic 2-1. So it's a good side. I know the players are a good side. It's a new World Cup friendly, and for a fact, more even the best players. I mean, there's no Tuado. Anything that it looks like they have realized the best players on our team. Party and Kudus, and clearly only you know this. I didn't always come because World Cup will be here the very best. Some very fit. But I'll show the way it's setting up in the first time how we played, second half in the winning game now. I just said, players no be I can and that was good. I'm not particularly free ban here. Ghana need to blood of his performance. It is from the who here, and the atmosphere we are gathering say what company I think we are ready.
I see.
For the World Cup.
I see. At the end Bema Ghana you lose focus in terms of because Brazil you call sika na we are seeing now a whole lot of confusion and the CM. Dear Nampeninfono should watch out. Said a young conquer experience, the last experience of Brazil beam.
Well, we have Brazil experience now. Clearly, it's because I say any boys not come and names. If it's 75,000, if it's $100,000. We could do yes, can a bass, can a map, and it's hard now. If your boy a first game against US, you're losing 2-1. Your boy 9th game against Germany. In a game of FIFA, technical team, you know, as the best game at the tournament. Even though you feel the first one. And so now your last game against Portugal, I wonder, okay, boys, the Ghana team did not even train before we played Portugal. Because boys is only training, they discover they have to fly money in and adjourn this other. And then I thought that caught a bit of focus. This time, from what we are gathering, any players, Kasa, agree, also agree. And the last time in your chance was Steve Fedachi, who is a member of the Executive Council, I know Kacha say. To say, boys, trusting Katam Zekaneno. It looks like boys, as a new attitude, said, this is how much we are giving you. Kind of boys not because the two friendlies are against Brazil. and then the boy against Nicaragua. No, almost say each player $2,000 for the two friendlies, which means that 1,000 per friendly. Previously, it's only a 5,000 per friendly. It's in the bomb show, then it's a good one. So much in the boys can be out of the focus. Say, Nina, get the ball, you go. And no one here. And to be honest with you, the Nimdia, but about when you did Kaka, or when me the way any Portugal, and any Portugal, they come on no more Bruno Fernandes, and no more Ronaldo, no more. It didn't have Bobo, they have got the Aslam. Yeah, they didn't do. Oh, not the enemy. Yes, your players, and we make it look like Portugal, your team out and they win virtually every match they play. They played against the same Tristy. They lost. And let's not forget, Portugal any automatic qualification. They were beaten by Serbia. I'm going to go playoff. Even against North Macedonia, I'm only two. Even every game, we beat. They may say, "Yeah, did deal with me." And so, let us say, every day around rating now. Could be moment yet tomorrow now. So Ghana, the first game in 2010 against Serbia, should players are Ghana starting. All players are Ghana starting. A team will be able, and you realize that this team is 5 times stronger than that.
I see.
That time you go to ball is not that Blackpool. For 2 years, no other 4 games. 2 years, no other 4 games. That time, I want them to almost get rich by the boy. Even have 1 or 2 players, super talent. But the rest, maybe, after my dad, because at that time, that time, could just almost sleep for you. So that time, Prince Table started that game. Prince Table was playing for all tonight. So your team, but the American G30 almost performance. What was that? In our group, we beat Serbia, you draw against Australia, and you lose to Germany. You had the 4 points to qualify. They go to US in the second round. And they say US are 2-1 as a modern go no saying. And you had to qualify, so you go see Uruguay. Now now because of that performance. And side tournament we won 2 games, two games. But we played in the quarterfinal. And see, no, it's not true. Because all we have boys in the ball, more body man for clubs or more now. It looks like there's a team. Players no be a team or Bobby. This is not a team of bench warmers. I never call a good cacao team because, of course, when you have 1 or 2 players here, almost said then playing time be but I'm sure Mama can omobo. Of course, team be every room when you have 1 or 2, 1, 2, 3 players here. Maybe, but I'm saying that as Ghana is in a cacao team and performance is who and young kind of quick. We have a player like Salisu playing as a centre back, the main centre back. Salisu, I was so much quality, and Minnesota make a lot of teams in this World Cup. Salisu will work in their team. Salisu will walk straight into their starting 11. A lot of the team. The quality no was slow. You need goalkeeper. Is that not the age in America? You need goalkeeper. But Ghana for, and I'm going to say, it's not a real fear 7 to move. Now, I'm so happy to say Ralph Rich no more. Let's do this. 2006, you come work up your goalkeeper.
2006. Do you are not a goalkeeper? Richard Olele Kinsa. Okay.
Olele Kinsa Ghana for any retirement in 2000. Come 2000. Ghana ne South Africa. Oh, Kumasi. Sabonga no Vete. Ever had a Bobby say. And you film Ghana film in quarterfinal. That time, na Ghana Nigeria you host the tournament. If you only a family free team. I don't live free team. Samia J became our number 1. Samia J Nadiako 2002 in Mali. Samia J Nadiako 2006 African Cup of Nations in Egypt. The Koya Yanya Zimbabwe said, and yes, spent 2 years. A honey ma only Libaba friendly match. I think it was against Chile or Mexico. And now Samia Jebu Fuya. And now only had neighbor none of that Antalya schools. And now in that 3 years, no other 2 games, two. I want to call you that. You can work up department and you slow and you go give. But we went there and we won 2 games. We won against Czech, we won against US. The American say we might not have the same quality in terms of with other teams, but your quality is not good enough to compete. And Kakra Yahu with our track record. Ghana in 2006, Ghana in 2010, and Ghana in 2014. Even 2014, a year we drew with the eventual winners. And in fact, 3 games ago, World Cup, we scored four goals even when we exited. And that was a good one.
Okay.
And to make I'm telling you that, and yet, Mama Boom, and this is a year, the other year, oh, I'm not the uncle for the DD do. He didn't who or said that they know, says Alan Bolo, no one wanted to be a mobile bomb. Oh, yeah, no, because they're kicking who could be, they be a master of the candy. And no part, moment in your analysis, mammy. Where you are born sometimes determine your future. Because as I say, every year, Banya, England, every are not landing over, doing us of a bubble, and all the same quality. Convenience na youth team abo. Obas na youth team many years he will graduated into the senior team. Obas na. But every year ban your corner, so we no kick so another chrome jaswa. And so no baba abenya national under 17, ne bribe obetia and so when your time akobo.
No abre.
By the time obe no when 40, can the ball the career it years when you bo, ya bo bi din fine. There were exceptional talents but more average and even below average. But because of the kind of agencies, because of the kind of the free, and they get all these teams to play. Kanyasa, them kind of Bukayo Saka, how about that? So when Nigeria, it is super league team to go. Maybe I idea to get a chance to play at that very level, that top level. Let's have belief in them. I think they can do it.
Right. I'm more than grateful. Mijiri, you are also going to continue over there. No try discussion. So I'm more than grateful, my brother.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Dear, I mean, right.